Hey guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Gwen Salmurin and I empower Filipinos, especially breadwinners, to live a life of freedom. And for today's video, I want to share what is the most important thing you can do as a breadwinner for you to be able to have a life that is full of happiness, joy, and abundance. So, ano yon? Watch until the end of this video. As a breadwinner, ito yung napansin ko na lagi nating struggle, no? It is the struggle to receive. So, naranasan niyo na rin ba na minsan kina-compliment kayo na, "Uy, ang ganda mo naman today," or "Ang ganda naman ng hair mo, I like your outfit," ganyan. And tayo, actually hindi lang breadwinners 'no, tayo napapansin ko is parang, gano'n lang 'no. Parang, okey. Parang 'di naman, minsan nga sinasabi pa natin, "Parang 'di naman," ganyan 'no. And, as a breadwinner napansin ko 'no, na 'pag tayo nagbibigay 'no, we are good in giving compliments, we are good in giving gifts, we are good in giving time, effort, na minsan nga kahit wala na tayong ibibigay, ibinibigay pa natin 'no, yung talagang, um kung ano yung meron tayo kahit ubos na tayo. And sobrang sanay tayo to do that 'no, and magaling tayo dun 'no. Pero dun sa other part na nagsi-struggle tayo is when we, sometimes 'no, we struggle to let love come in, let compliment in, let blessings come in 'no. Pero alam niyo ba, isa sa mga naging pinaka magandang nangyari sa buhay ko is when I learn how to receive na. For example, someone compliments me na, "Uy, ang ganda naman ng hair mo today, ganda naman ng makeup mo," ng ganyan, madam na madam. And when I say thank you, it's when na nafi-feel ko yung energy na nire-receive ko siya, na na-embody ko siya na, "Uy, may nakapansin, maganda ako today, maayos, naging maganda yung preparation ko, magaling yung naging, speech ko today." And that is one of the most powerful things you can do. Because bakit? Because na bakit pa? Because it's once you let love come in, more and more will come in. So sabi nga doon sa ano 'no, nabasa kong book na the most, sabi do'n sa pinaka sabi dun sa isang book na nabasa ko na Tuesdays with Moritz, it says na, "The most important thing in life is to learn how to give out love and to let it come in." So dapat marunong tayong magbigay, pero marunong din tayong mag-receive para number one, balance, and number two, hindi tayo nauubos. Okay? So, I hope guys that simple tip no on how you can have a happier, joyful, and more abundant life, which is by learning how to also receive, not just give, helps you and also change your life today. So thank you guys again for watching my video. I hope you like it. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share nyo na rin no, sa mga breadwinners sa tingin nyo no, nahihirapan din mag-receive ng love, joy, and abundance in their lives. So, see you on the next one. Bye!